Struggling with bad credit? Ready to drive today? Stop stressing and start driving, because at World Hyundai Matteson, we make it happen. Imagine rolling off the lot in a car you love, even if your credit has seen better days. Sound impossible? Not here. We specialize in approvals where others fail. Here's how we do it. Expert credit knowledge. We know credit inside and out, and we know how to make it work for you. Bad credit? We've seen it all. 510 score? Not a problem. We dig deep into your credit profile, uncover hidden opportunities, and get creative to make approvals happen. Where others give up, we push forward and find a way. A car today, a better credit score tomorrow. Your new car isn't just about getting from A to B, it's about building a brighter future. Our financing options help you rebuild credit with every on-time payment, setting you up for bigger and better financial opportunities. World Hyundai has a diverse selection of new and pre-owned vehicles ready to go. Come down and take a look for yourself, or check out our inventory at worldhyundaimatteson.com. Call us 877-438-8120.